is he not coming back to India? Why is he not coming back to India? You have to prove that you're an intelligent lawyer. You don't have to prove that you're a pugnacious lawyer. You have to prove that you're an intelligent lawyer, not that you're a pugilistic lawyer. You must answer this question.
I will not prove it to the Arnab Goswami.
So tell me, where in Hong Kong is he? Where in Hong Kong is he?
I will prove it to the judge.
Where in Hong Kong is he? He's in Hong Kong. Confirm to me. I know he's in Hong Kong. I know he's in Hong Kong. He's in Hong Kong.
Or my client.
Is he in Hong Kong? Is he in Hong Kong or not? Is he in Hong Kong?
If you know, why are you Hong Kong?
He's in Hong Kong.
If you know,
you know he's in Hong Kong. I know he's in Hong Kong. You know he's in Hong Kong.
If you know,
he's hiding in whose house is he hiding in Hong Kong?
So why are you asking me?
So he's in Hong Kong. So did he join you on video conference from Hong Kong? So I'm not wrong. So I'm not wrong. So I'm not wrong, Vijay. So I'm not wrong, Vijay. So you agree that I'm not wrong when I say that he's in Hong Kong? When I said that he's in Hong Kong, when I said that he's in Hong Kong, so did I ask you whether you were in Hong Kong? No. I asked you whether you did a video conference with him. He's in Hong Kong. You know he's in Hong Kong. You know he's in Hong Kong. I'm repeating Hong Kong. Yes, I repeat it. He's in Hong Kong. You know he's in Hong Kong, Vijay. You know he's in Hong Kong. He was on video conference from Hong Kong.
You may keep on repeating.
Is he an absconder? Is he a fugitive? I ask you, is he a fugitive? Is he a fugitive? Is your client a fugitive? A question to you. Is your client a fugitive?
There are, at the moment, Arnab, you may be hard of hearing. I am not. I can understand.
Is he a fugitive? You may be hard of basic intelligence, but I'm not. I'm asking you, is he a fugitive?
You may be. Is he a fugitive? You ask a question.
Is he a fugitive?
The truth will remain.
Yes, is he a fugitive? Is he a fugitive?
See, if I have to respond, I will respond in my way.
Yeah, respond, but respond to the damn question, Vijay. Don't run away from my question. Come on.
Then ask the other person. If you want to keep on speaking,
So one thing, viewers, is apparent and clear out here that he appears to be in Hong Kong because he's not denying the fact that he's in Hong Kong. He knows he's in Hong Kong. You know he's in Hong Kong. He's in Hong Kong. You gave it away. You said it right now. He is in Hong Kong. Not my conclusion. Denied? Denied? Denied. Because I think my sources are telling me he's in Hong Kong.
You have to stop.
And New York was a decoy.
Then only I'll reply.
New York was a decoy.
Then only I'll reply.
I'll ask you. Yeah, go on.
You have to stop. Then only I'll reply.
Yeah, go on.
I am only following you. You are spoiling me. I am learning it from you.
Reply, Vijay. I know he's in Hong Kong. You just told me your client is in Hong Kong. You just told me your client is in Hong Kong.
I never learned so much in court.
You just revealed everything that he's in Hong Kong. Come on now. Tell me, who else was there in your Dubai meeting? You were in Dubai, he was in Hong Kong.
It is your conclusion.
You were in Dubai, he was in Hong Kong. There was a video conference going on. And I'll tell you one more thing. You left on Saturday for the meeting. Am I correct? You left on Saturday for the meeting.
I will give you all your answers. Today we want to see you quiet. We have never seen you quiet.
Vijay Agarwal, he was in Hong Kong, so give me an answer.
That you are quiet for a
Listen,
while.
I will ask you every single question and I won't give up. You know that he was in Hong Kong, you were in Dubai, you left on Saturday, you reached on Sunday, you had a meeting, your meeting was on Monday and you know that he was on... So you just revealed as a lawyer that your client is in Hong Kong. I thank you, the breaking news right now. The lawyer for Vijay Agarwal confirms he's in Hong Kong.
After asking the question,
should I say that?
Quiet. After asking the question, keep quiet. After asking the question, keep quiet.
Why repeating yourself like a broken record?
Now repeat your question.
Why are you repeating yourself like a broken record?
I ask a question.
You're going on like a broken record.
Ask a question. Again, you may say anything. Again, you may say anything, and it does not affect me. Your perception, what you think of it, the verdict that you
Vijay,
write.
don't idhar-udhar ki baat mat karo. Come to the issue, please.
You want to give a verdict.
Come to the real issue. I'm asking you about your client. Your client who has broken the law. He took, okay, my question. So the question is this. Can you answer a simple question on behalf of your client? It is your duty to reply on behalf of your client. It is your duty to reply on behalf of your client. And my next question to you is this. My next question to you is this. Listen to me. You tell me. He took loans from Indian banks. He took loans from Indian banks. Did he take loans from Indian banks? And therefore he must reply in India. You tell me, no. Don't tell me about keeping quiet. I'm asking you a question, Vijay. He took the loans from Indian banks. He must come back to India to answer. Tell me one thing. You You
to
answer
the
my
first
question. You answer my
I will
question.
give an
We'll take
answer
a
to the
live
first
poll on this
question.
right now.
I will give an
Live
answer
poll
to
on
the
this
first
right now.
question.
Is Nirav Modi's lawyer
Carry on.
answering
I
questions
will
or
carry
running
on.
away?
Let
We
us
watch
have
this.
a match of vocal
Is he
cords.
answering
Let us
questions?
see
Go
who
on.
wins.
Yes, Vijay,
You
are
have
you
a
answering
match.
questions?
I have a match.
I have a live
You
poll
have a
right
match.
now.
I
I have
have
a
a
live
match.
poll on social
Yeah.
media right
You
now
keep quiet,
on whether
then I
Nirav
will
Modi's
answer.
lawyer
You
is
keep
refusing
quiet,
to ask
then I will
questions
answer.
simply
You
because
keep quiet,
he's quivering
then I
in
will
his
answer.
boots today.
You keep
He
quiet,
knows he met
then I will
Nirav Modi
answer.
on the video
You keep
conference from
quiet,
Hong Kong. Go on.
Then I'll answer.
Now look at
you
him.
keep quiet.
Now look at him. Look at his
then I will
behavior.
answer. You keep quiet. Then I'll answer.
One.
You keep quiet. Then I'll answer.
Two.
I'm happy that Arnav is quiet.
How many more
for a while.
times? So tell
now
me
your
your
question was that is my client a fugitive? Your question was that is my client a fugitive? Please see, against him today there are only summons. There is not even a non-bailable warrant against my client.
That's the biggest joke.
Summons.
That's the biggest joke.
ED summons.
That's the biggest
It
joke.
reads.
That's the
It
joke
reads.
of the year.
Oh, you find it a joke?
That's the
You
joke
find
of
it
the
a
year.
joke. And please, Arnav, ever in your life, have you read ED summons? ED summons says that appear in person or through authorized representative. ED has not even asked my client to be personally present.
Oh.
Please read the summons.
So tell me one thing.
Do your homework.
Tell me one
before
thing.
asking a question.
Tell me one thing.
You
One
seem to be
question.
appearing
Listen to the
and
question.
talking and
Listen to the
talking
question.
without
Listen
doing
to
your
the
homework.
question. Listen to
Please
the
do
question.
your
Listen to
homework
the
before
question
talking
now.
so much.
Listen to the question.
If you do
Listen to the
5%
question.
of the
Vijay, come on,
homework, then
Vijay.
your 90%
Vijay,
of the
will you not
talk
listen to
people
my
will
question? Listen to the
Otherwise, it
question.
is without
Listen to
homework,
my question.
without homework.
Listen to my question. Now my question to you is
Yeah,
this.
please.
Since you say
Go ahead.
that your
But
client
after
is
you
a
shoot the question, then keep quiet.
since you say that your client is a law-abiding citizen, a simple question. And Vijay, listen, I know you're an argumentative lawyer who has made his reputation in court by being pugilistic, pugnacious, and aggressive. But you don't have to show it to me on television right now. Understand to me right now. Vijay, a simple question to you is, I have...
Would you give me fee?
No, no.
I perform only
I know,
for the
I don't
fee.
need,
I
don't
know
need.
very well,
Thank you
Arnav,
for the
that you
grace
cannot
of God.
afford me.
Vijay,
So I'll not
Vijay,
perform
listen
in
to
front
me.
of you. You
Vijay,
cannot
listen
afford
to me.
me, Arnav.
You know I'm
You
not
cannot afford me.
bothered about you.
You cannot
You know,
afford me.
you've even
You
filed
cannot
cases
afford
on me. I can fight you
Yeah.
till many years to come.
I'm also
You
not
file
bothered
legal
about
cases
you.
on me. So I'm not bothered about you or your
I'm
legal
also not
threats.
bothered.
Your legal
Your
threats,
channel, I'm
your
also
legal
free.
threats on
I'm
me are
supposed
water
to go
off a
to
duck's
court at
back,
3
Vijay. Now
o'clock.
listen to me.
I have 3 hours with you.
Let's
You have
talk.
your 3 hours
Yeah,
with
okay.
me.
Now let's talk. Listen to my question. You said right
Yeah.
now that your client
Yeah,
is a
let's-
law-abiding
Yes.
citizen who has been told that he can appear either himself or through his representatives. My simple question to you is, if the Enforcement Directorate were to say that your client should only appear in person, will your client comply? Answer my question, Vijay. If the Enforcement Directorate says that your client has to appear in person,
We
will your client
cross the
comply?
bridge.
Answer my
We
question.
will cross
Answer
the
my
bridge
question now.
When we come to it. It is a hypothetical situation.
Hypothetical?
We will cross the bridge when we come
He's
to it.
running away from my question, viewers.
We will cross
He's
the
running
bridge
away from
when
my
we come to
question,
it.
viewers. Vijay is running away
We
from my
will
questions
cross the
on that.
bridge.
He knows
That's
if
your
the Enforcement
confusion.
Directorate,
I am here
you just said,
sitting on the chair.
I threw your question
I am
back
here
at you.
sitting on the chair.
I threw my
your
question
reporter,
back at
your camera.
I threw my question,
I am
your
sitting
question
here.
back at you. You
I am
tell me,
sitting here.
if the Enforcement
So, I am
Directorate
not
says
running away,
that
I
he
am
should appear
sitting
in
here.
person, will he appear
I
in
am
person?
sitting here.
Will he appear in person?
It is too hypothetical. Let ED
Come
send
on,
a summon,
Vijay.
then we will
Come on,
see
Vijay.
how
Come
to
on,
respond
come
to
on.
it.
Come on.
And
Now my
by
next
that
question.
time-
Next
and-
question.
and Arnav,
Avoiding my question. You're avoiding my
Arnav,
question. You're
please
avoiding
go
my
ahead.
question. My
Please
next
go ahead.
question. My next question. Listen to my question. Vijay,
You-
come on.
that's your
Vijay, come on.
confusion.
I thought
That's
you were an
your
aggressive
confusion.
lawyer. Why are you
That's
avoiding
your
my
confusion.
questions, man?
Next
Why are you
question.
avoiding my questions?
Next question.
What's my
next question?
Then take my question. Then
Next
don't run
question.
away from
That's
the
what
question.
you feel.
Then my
I
next
gave an
question to you.
answer. You
My
may
next
not like
question
it.
to you
I
is,
cannot do things
I
as
want
per
to
your
see-
liking.
I want to
I cannot
see-
do things
I want
as
to
per your
see-
like.
I
Please,
want to
second
see
question.
whether under the issue of client confidentiality, Vijay Agarwal, the aggressive lawyer from Delhi, will run away from my next question. My next question is, and the whole country is watching right now, why does Nirav Modi have 5 shell firms in Hong Kong? Aura Gem Company, Sino Traders, Sunshine Gems Limited, all shell companies of Nirav Modi. Why was he having shell companies in Hong Kong? Tell me now. Come on, don't run away from my question. Why was he having shell companies in Hong Kong? Answer my question.
I have been in this case. If you would stop, then only I'll answer.
Yeah,
you
you
will
seem
keep on
nervous.
repeating
No, you
your
seem a little
question,
nervous.
and then you will
right?
expect
You
me
seem
to
a little.
answer.
You seem a
Go
little
quiet.
nervous.
Go
Yeah,
quiet.
no,
Go
I
quiet.
have repeat. I've said
Go
my question
quiet.
once. You
Go
need to
quiet.
answer once. That's
Go
all.
quiet.
Repeat.
Go
1,
quiet.
2.
Go quiet.
3.
Go quiet.
4.
I've heard it once.
That's it.
You don't
Let
have
me
to
see how many
repeat.
times you
You
repeat
don't have to
yourself.
repeat. Please see. You don't have to repeat. You don't have to repeat.
Have a glass of water,
You go
Vijay.
quiet, I will
Have a
answer.
glass of water, Vijay.
You go quiet, I will answer.
Have a glass of water,
And then
Vijay.
you are free. Okay, please ask. Okay, ask your reporter to get it for me.
No, my
Otherwise, I'll
reporter
have
is
to
not
leave
in
the
the
frame
business
and
of
go and get it
arranging
for
water for
myself.
you. You can
Ask
bring
your
water on
reporter,
your-
just instruct
ask
on the
your
line.
assistant to get the water for you.
So no, you're so concerned for me. Oh, to a guest you can offer. I'm a guest here. To
If you
your
come to my
guest, if
studio,
you are
I'll
my
offer
guest
you
at my
water.
house,
Come to my
I will offer
studio
my
tonight, I'll
water
offer
for
you
you.
water.
I will pick the glass.
Come to my studio tonight. If you're not nervous, I'll offer you water.
I will.
Come
do it.
tonight.
I
Come
will.
tonight, I'll offer you water. Yeah, come. And now answer my question.
See,
Why did
it is
Nirav
for
have
you
shell
to say.
companies in Hong
And
Kong?
see,
Why
I
did
do not
Nirav
know.
have
See,
shell companies in Hong Kong?
See,
Tell,
you
answer
are
the
calling
question.
me nervous and the
Answer
whole
question,
country is
man.
watching.
Why aren't you
That
answering
today
the
for the
question?
first time,
Why
who
aren't
is
you answering
nervous?
the question?
Who
Come
is
on.
at the back
How
foot?
many shell
This also
companies
the
did you have in
country is
Hong Kong?
watching
Come on,
today.
tell me. I gave you the names
that
of three
today
shell
Arnab
companies.
Goswami got some match. Okay, so the whole country is watching today. Who the nervous
Three
person is
questions
today.
out there. Just look at Vijay
Now
Agarwal
can I answer
running
your
away
question if
from
you
a
are
simple
really
question.
interested in the answer?
How many
I
shell
believe,
companies did you have in Hong Kong? Come
that
on,
you are
answer.
not interested in the answer.
Answer.
You are interested.
I'm
You are
very
interested
interested.
in
I'm
your
all
voice. You are not interested
I'm
in the
listening.
answers. You are not interested in a
Yours is
dialogue.
not being
You
able to
have.
reply.
You are interested. Monologue by Arnab Goswami. You are not interested in a dialogue. You only want a monologue. Arnab Goswami.
Shell
Arnab
companies
Goswami,
in Hong
Arnab
Kong.
Goswami. No.
Shell companies in
There
Hong Kong.
cannot be a one hero. There are
Shell
other
companies
heroes
in Hong
also.
Kong.
With
Shell
them is
companies
nobody,
in Hong
baby.
Kong.
Am I clear?
Shell companies in
Only
Hong
you
Kong.
don't have vocal cords.
Shell companies
Others
in Hong
also
Kong,
have.
tell me.
Keep quiet for a
Shell
minute.
companies in
I
Hong
will
Kong,
answer.
reply.
Keep quiet for a minute. I will
Let's
answer.
see. Let's see if he replies. Viewers.
Keep
Interesting.
quiet.
Let's
Keep
watch.
quiet, then I will answer.
Let's watch.
Yeah. You keep quiet. I will answer. Keep quiet. I can answer. See, you can look at me. I cannot even look at you. I can only look at myself in a small screen here. So keep quiet. Now please see. I have been here only 3 to 4 days in the case. I am to study various aspects. It's a global work, and I am sure I give you my word, Arnav, once the charge sheet is out, this time, rather than fighting in the court, because I know the biggest judge today is Arnab Goswami, right? So I will come and I will satisfy you, and if I satisfy you, then I will feel that I deserve to appear in the court of law and satisfy a judge, because Arnab Goswami is the biggest judge.
No,
And
you're
if
not
I
answering my
satisfy Arnab
question.
Goswami,
You're not
I'll
getting
go
to my
the court and
specific
say,
questions,
"Who are
Vijay
you?
Agarwal.
I've
You have to
satisfied
answer
Arnab
my
Goswami.
specific
Who are
question.
you? I will
Two,
go and
I'm
tell the
asking you,
judge
Vijay,
that I
listen, my
satisfied Arnab
information. I have some information
Goswami.
with me. I want to share the information with you. How do you
Ask only
explain
once.
the fact?
If
How
you
do you
will
explain
repeat,
the fact?
I will also repeat.
Vijay
Ask
Agarwal,
once.
listen to me. For God's sake, listen to me once. There is a live poll on the channel right now where they're
I am
answering my
listening.
questions.
If you speak only once,
the question
I will
is
listen to
this.
you.
The
What
question
makes
is
you
this.
feel that I'm
How
not
do you
listening to you?
explain the fact
What makes you
that
think that I'm
three
not
of the
taking you
companies,
seriously?
listen to the question, how do
Why
you
are you
explain
so
the fact
insecure,
that three
Arnab?
of the companies that Vijay Vipul, what is his name? Nirav Modi transacted with abroad have the same company secretaries? 2 out of those had their company secretaries changed on the same day and were replaced by the same company secretaries. Can you deny that?
Hello?
You understand the question? No, you have the phone line. Come on, give him the phone line back.
Arnab, with the
question is-
pressure of your voice, my earphone fell off.
Don't worry.
So I was looking for the earphone.
Listen to me,
so it
Vijay.
fell off because the pressure of the voice.
Vijay,
of the-
okay, you'll
the
feel more
earphone.
pressure of
You
my
made-
voice here.
You did not make me nervous.
That's
you
all
made
right.
the earphone nervous.
You probably got
Yeah.
nervous. You
Please
tried to
tell me,
remove
go
the
ahead.
earphones. How do you explain the fact that 3 of the companies that Nirav Modi transacted with abroad have the same company secretaries? Then 2 out of those had their company secretaries changed on the same day and were replaced by the same company secretaries. This is fraud.
Nirav.
This is fraud. FREAUD. This is
Arnab,
fraud. How do you explain
Arnab,
that?
Arnab,
Come on, explain.
you
Answer the
have-
question.
You have done the homework. I have not got into depth. I have not got
You
into
have not
depth
done the
of
homework.
case. My hands
are a
full.
top criminal lawyer.
The new notices are coming. I have not studied the case that much. I have not studied the case that much. In 3 days, one can only see notices. People are getting arrested. So that is my priority. Please see the plight of the people, some junior employees, their wives calling, their brothers calling, that what will happen. And there is an elderly gentleman, Mr. Bhatt. He has 2 sons. They call me after every half an hour. So I am worried at the moment about that. Give me 10, 15 days. I will answer each and every query of you. But with a caveat, you ask only once.
Does
you
your-
ask only one.
you know
Then I
today-
will answer
you know
each and every
today-
query.
does-
and
does-
if you are
does-
really interested,
does-
if you are not interested,
And
if you
listen,
are- if
the
you are- if
answer
you are
is
really interested in
78%
knowing
of
the
people
answer,
are saying
if
that
you
you've
want to
not
just create
answered
a
the
hoopla,
question.
Then
78% of people are saying today that you're not answering my questions. Mr. Agarwal, does your when you
See,
met
I am
Nirav
happy-
Modi?
I am happy
when
if
you
I'm
met
liked by
when-
only one person, that is myself. I like to prove me only to myself. I have never bothered about public perception at all.
We'll do a philosophy class
I like
later.
to prove myself to
We'll do the now. Tell
own
me
myself
how
only.
was
So
Nirav
don't
Modi when
tell
you
me-
met him?
See, your
when you
TRP
spoke
may
to
be by
him,
the people,
when did you?
I am not.
When did you speak first to Nirav Modi? Tell me. When did you first speak to Nirav Modi? When did you first speak to him?
I have spoken to him. I have spoken to him number of times. Exact first, I cannot divulge. And frankly, though you will not believe me, I will not even remember. When I talk to my clients, I don't maintain a diary.
No, you
And
may not.
I'm not a foreign counsel that who bills according to the number of conversations.
No, but you did speak to Nirav Modi on video conference. So how did he appear?
Of course I did. See, I spoke to him. This is what I'm saying. I'm not confirming to you whether voice call, video call, WhatsApp
But you just
call,
told me a video
Skype
call.
That's
You
for
just
to
told me
see.
video call. You agreed to Hong Kong. So you did a video call with Hong Kong. How can you go
did
back
not-
on what you
I
said?
did not say so. I did not say so. Please retrieve your conversation. Please rewind your conversation.
It's in my mind.
Please. See, I never said that. You have a habit of putting the words into people's mouth and making them believe this. I never said that. And ask your own reporter, ask your own camera person.
Now, simple, please answer a certain basic
waiting for
questions.
it. I'm
Vijay Agarwal, the question is clear. The whole country is now talking
Please.
about the misdeeds of your client, Nirav Modi. It is quite clear what he's done, and it's no point, going around it. This whole case broke 1 week back. What I want to ask you is simply this, that if he has nothing to hide, why is he not back here in India? Where is he? Why is he running away? He's running away like a rat. He's running away like a scared sparrow. He's gone there hiding somewhere behind some bush. He's not willing to come out, show his face. What kind of an impression is he showing? If he has nothing to hide, where is he and why doesn't he come back and answer my questions? Answer the nation's questions. Answer his employees' questions. You can't sack 3,000 employees without a job out there. Their parents, their family members have nothing to live on. And your client refuses to even face them. Is there nothing called a moral accountability out here, Vijay? Not even a moral accountability of your client? You need to answer this question first before I go to my next. Go on. And he's not giving them gratuity. And he's not giving them gratuity. He's not giving them
At the
pay.
end of it, I did not even understand the question. And you have been only using the adjective. At the end of
The
it,
question
I
is
do not know
simple.
what the question is.
Should
You
I repeat
wanted
it
to
a second
say
time for
whatever
you to hear?
said, only
Should
to create an
I
impact.
repeat it a second time? Should I repeat it a third time?
course.
Should I repeat it
Of
a fourth
course.
time for you
And
to hear? Then my
And
question
see,
is this,
I
that Nirav Modi's
I have
case...
a poor IQ.
Yeah,
I have
that
a
is
very,
that I
very
don't want to
poor
make an
IQ
observation
as
on. Though I
compared
might
to
say
you.
that you
So
might not
please
be
elaborate
completely
it in a
accurate of your own
very, very
assessment of
simple
yourself.
language.
Your
In a
assessment
very,
of your own
very-
IQ
in a
is your
very,
business,
very
it's none of
simple
mine.
language.
My
You
question
say-
is, Nirav
you
Modi,
say you
Nirav
are
Modi,
saying, oh,
Nirav
as
Modi's
compared to
case
you
broke
are
1 week
outsmart
back.
me. See,
Nirav
in
Modi's
front
case
of you,
broke 1
as
week
per you, I'm
back.
nervous,
If he has
I'm
nothing to hide,
scared,
where has he
I'm
been?
avoiding.
If he has
So you are
nothing to hide,
passing
where has
only
he been?
adjectives.
If he has
Only
nothing to hide,
adjectives.
where has he been?
Nothing else.
Tell me, where has he been?
The only adjectives.
No,
nothing
it's a
much.
question. You don't want to listen
Only
to the question?
adjectives,
Should I
nothing
repeat the
much.
question a second
Only
time?
adjectives.
A third time?
Ask me a
A
question.
fourth time?
Ask me in a simple language. In a simple language. In a simple language.
Okay.
In a simple language.
Okay.
Without any adjectives. Don't try to create an impact. If you want to know something, try to know something. But you are just wanting to create an impact so that you can count the percentage of the people who say, oh, Arnab Goswami is the God. See, he outsmarts a lawyer. So you want to count those number of people. I don't want to count. Arnab Goswami does not pay me. Do you get me? So I am not here to perform in front of you. I am not bothered about what Arnab Goswami thinks of me.
The Enforcement Directorate
really
is
not concerned
examining
about
and your client...
And the
Listen.
people watching can see for themselves.
Your client wrote a letter to the authorities saying that the media suggests that the liability of the Nirav Modi group is over 11,000 crores, but it's substantially lower. Why don't you put out the documents to prove it? Put out the documents to prove it, no?
Okay.
Valuation of a company should be
Arnav,
available in documents. Put out the
Arnav.
documents to prove it.
Please. Again you are speaking. Again you are speaking. You don't want an answer? Let me give an answer. Do some homework, Arnav. Please have a team. In the court, CBI itself is saying that the amount started from 280 crores. It may go up to 5,000 crores. This 11,000 crore figure CBI is not saying. So I really wonder where Arnav is getting it from.
You know
Have
something,
been able to
you know
retrieve the
something
court
for
order?
your
Have the
kind
court order with
information.
me.
I do my research
know-
and homework,
you
and
know-
for your
you
kind
see the
information,
court order.
many of
Do
the
you see
cases
court
which
order?
the Enforcement
Zero.
Directorate CBI has
Zero
followed up in the
research.
past
Only
have been the
talk.
follow-up of our
Only
investigations.
talk.
My
Only
question
smoke.
is,
No
the
fire.
Enforcement
No
Directorate
research.
is examining
No homework.
over
Only talk.
250
Only talk.
shell firms.
Arnav,
The Enforcement
Arnav,
Directorate is examining over
Arnav,
250 shell
Arnav,
firms linked to
Arnav.
the Nirav Modi family. How many of these
Arnav.
250 shell firms is your client willing to give details of? Simple question. You're not being able to answer one question. You know how bad it's looking?
Arnav, okay, see that reflects so poor on
250
me. So,
shell
Arnav, to
firms.
do my performance appraisal for the job increment, so I will get
250,
250
250 shell firms. Answer me.
There is a best, Arnav, there is a, now if you, I am answering your question. I am answering your question. Have patience to hear. There is only one word. There is an excellent Hindi adage for you. Thotha chana, baje ghana. That only describes you very well. It is only talks, no research.
I have asked you 7 questions. You have been unable to answer a single question. You are running around right now. 7 questions you've been unable to reply to even one. Now you are coming down. Now you are coming down to giving me, you know, abuse in Hindi. It does not matter to me. I will not fall down to your level. Vijay Agarwal, I will not fall to your level. But I will ask you questions out here. 250 shell firms. Answer me. 250 shell firms linked to Nirav Modi's family. Where do the 250 shell firms come from? You are only telling me repeatedly मैंने homework नहीं किया है, मैं बिना पढ़े लिखा आया हूँ, मैं ऐसे ही हूँ, मैं lawyer हूँ, मैंने research नहीं की है. What kind of answer is this? I am asking you, is your client a fugitive? What about the 250 shell firms? You are not being able to answer to me. Why?
कोई homework नहीं किया है. Only talks. Only
so I'll tell you one thing.
So you are only trying to
something.
mask
I am feeling
your unpreparedness.
I'm feeling bad for you now. I'm feeling bad for you now because you are being no. Even people are beginning to comment right now that you know Nirav Modi's lawyer knows nothing about the case.
I'm so happy.
I am asking you now. Are you going to run away from me? Are you going to run away? Are you going to run away, Vijay? Join me at 9 o'clock tonight. If you have the guts, face me at 9 o'clock tonight. Face me at 9 o'clock tonight. 9 o'clock tonight. 9 o'clock tonight, I'll wait for you. I'll wait for you at 9 o'clock tonight.
Wherever.
9 o'clock. Wherever. In my studio. 9 o'clock tonight.
Wherever.
9 o'clock tonight.
Wherever. No. I don't walk to the studio. Send your OB van. I will be here.
9 o'clock tonight. 9 o'clock tonight. I will you will face my questions once again. All I will tell you is by then do a little bit more research when you face me at 9 o'clock. Thank you, Vijay Agarwal. Thank you, Vijay Agarwal. And tell your client Nirav also to face me. Thank you for now. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you. Thank you.